That's a long time. Okay, almost 2 years now we have not met together. So today I'm very happy to see all of you here in Dubai again. So once again, good morning. 20 years is a long year. I still remember when I come over to Dubai 20 years ago. This few days I go around Dubai in 20 years. Dubai of 20 years ago to about 20 years today is world apart and is so well developed now. So Dubai has become a beautiful city. So similarly to the accent, 20 years ago and 20 years today, in 20 years time, the size of company we have expanded 125 times. And today, our membership throughout the whole world is already crossed 13 million. So we are a big family now. Okay. And under the concept of one world, one market. And today, I can see so many of you, not only from Dubai, all over the Middle East, from Africa, from Europe, from other parts of the world, we are coming together to celebrate this 20-year anniversary. Okay, so next month in Malaysia, we are going to celebrate our 29th anniversary. And next year will be important to us because we are going to establish a 30th anniversary in Malaysia. Now, all of you, welcome to Malaysia. Okay. There are many good news to you. I think the first good news is that we already established our factory in Dubai. Good. So we started with coffee. After coffee, we are coming with the health food. Okay. Then after that, with our juice. Totally, we have a full set of factory in Dubai. Okay. Then from Dubai here, we can expand to the market nearby. You see, Dubai is the first place we started our business here. Okay, then after that we expand to the whole Middle East. Not only the Middle East, after that we expand to Europe. After we expand to the North Africa, now the whole Africa. Okay, so Dubai is really a happening place. From here, many good things happen. Okay, that's why the accent we are going to make Dubai production hub and also a marketing hub. Yesterday, I have a meeting with some leaders in Middle East here, okay, so that we are going to combine the Middle East and also the North Africa, okay, into one management under the accent here. Now, what is important in the accent now, you can see, for the past 2 years, we are affected by COVID. But our sales is not affected. Many of you, your bonuses also not affected. We can see many company, many business, they collapse under COVID now. But DXN, we surviving here well. Why? Because DXN is a real company, with a real direct selling company. Okay, so because our products can stand the test of time. Whether it's COVID, whether it's not COVID, whether you're in Middle East, whether outside of Middle East, our products, our system goes well. Okay. Now, I request all of you, okay, with the new development of DXN in Middle East here, so now we are going to establish our factory, we are going to establish the regional marketing office in Dubai here. All of us should take this as a great opportunity, okay, to expand your business. Okay, not only in Dubai, not only in Middle East, but to all the area. Okay, including Turkey, including Europe, Africa, maybe to North and South America. I remember, okay, last few trip, I invited quite a lot of people to come to Dubai. Okay, including I think Laszlo. Then everybody they love Dubai, you know. Okay, many of them they keep on coming here in Dubai. Okay, so this is definitely a good place for us to put it as a center of the accent. Okay. So I must congratulate many of you stayed for such a long time. So together, okay. So we are going to make the accent number one. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kling. Thank you. Please put your hands together.